This is going to be a very brief tour of the Khan Academy for students and for parents who are just trying to navigate their way through the Khan Academy and everything that it has to offer. So if you go to khanacademy.org, it'll bring you to this website, and there are two different ways, students, that you can navigate your way through. First, you could go up here to the top left corner where it says subjects, and it brings up every subject that is offered. So all of these are 7 to 12 math classes, with the exception of early math, that is elementary level math. Math's broken down by grade level, science and engineering, different histories and art history, economics, finance, computer science, and you also have SAT test prep. The other way that you could get to the exact same spot here would be to go ahead and click right here in the middle, learners start here, and everything that was just displayed there in one view is here, and you're able to scroll your way through it. So I'll now show you three different examples. First, we'll look at biology. If we click on biology, it'll open it up, and I already have that pulled up, so I'll show you what it looks like. Anytime you have been in here before, that'll be right at the top. It'll say, hey, do you want to continue where you just left off? And that'll show you where you were at previously. But anytime you click on biology, it's going to bring up all of the options that are here in biology. So anyone taking Keystone Biology, we have the intro, we have chemistry of life, which is an entire anchor, water chemistry, another anchor, how carbon is responsible for life, macromolecules, carbs, lipids, proteins, nucleic acids, energy, enzymes, all of that is taught in first and second marking period. Structure of a cell, membranes, transport, respiration, photosynthesis, signaling, division, genetics, DNA is genetic material, transcription, translation, and regulation of that. This is taught in marking periods 3 and 4. So everything you need for the Keystone Biology exam is here. As a student, you can work your way through and say, hey, I really just need help with looking at carbohydrates. And you can go here and just click that topic if that's where you're struggling. Any of these with the triangle play button, those are going to be a video if you open them up. Any of these with the notebook will be a reading, an article, if you open it up. The videos are going to open up in YouTube, and the articles are going to pop up right there for you with a link that you can also go to the full article on the website where it was found. So if we click on this, it's going to show you the reading, which most of them come from textbooks or come from scholarly articles, and it has the information that you would need to be successful with this topic. You also have the option to go to the actual article, and it'll lead you elsewhere. The X just gets you back out of there. I'm going to pull up one of the videos. So let's pull up glucose. So as you're watching the videos, maybe you think this video's not quite what you were looking for, it's a little bit above your head, then you have other options here, and you also have the reading. If you're not looking for biology, or if you want to switch to a new class, you have that same option that we had before to go up to the top and click subjects and then go into a different subject. So if we wanted to go to Algebra 1 now, we would click here, and I actually have that one already pulled up right here, so I'll show you. This one looks a little bit different because here you have the option to explore all of the topics, but it also gives you this separate tab where you can practice. So if you know that you've been to class and you've been doing what you need to do, you just need a little bit of extra practice, then you can go, and any of the links with the star are going to be practice problems and little quizzes. And some of them are fill in the blank, some of them are multiple choice, and then they'll give you clues, or you can watch a video to help you out if you look at this and have no idea what to do. and you can actually click go to exercise and it'll take you to a whole page of problems just like this. You can always check your answer. This is a really nice tool if you're just looking for extra practice. If you're looking more for the extra help before you do the practice problems, I'd recommend you go into Explore and then go down to the topic that you need. So one step inequalities, maybe that's your topic. All of these play buttons would be videos to help you, and these stars would be those practice problems that would get you the extra help that you needed. The last one that we'll look at is for US history, which again, we can get there up at the top by going through subjects, but I have the tab up, so we'll go here. And this one is broken down differently. See these tabs at the top? Explore is the same setup. You can go through all of the different topics, but it also gives you classes. So if you specifically wanted to look at just AP Euro, that is your option there. And practice problems, anything with the star is going to give you practice problems. Let's click on one, and remember, if you look at it and it's not what you're looking for, you're not quite sure what to do with that, you can always watch a video or you can always read an article and get some hints.